ADXN stock analysis and ADXN stock prediction. So in this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's done 42,000 videos over 5 years, and I'm telling you this because I've actually done it. It's not just played around. It's all on my YouTube channel, and specifically with ADXN, I don't have that much hope. First of all, it's not that volatile. Second of all, I don't think that I'm even going to trade. You know, this is more so just my bias and idea on this. Just going to give you my 2 cents and thoughts. But yeah, man, like, unless there's a big catalyst or some real good breaks above 11 bucks, 11.60 to be exact, there's no way that I'm going to look to buy or really do anything else. So, do I have previous receipts with this? Let's check. Yes, I do, like 2 times, which is fair. And yeah, like, I'm going to try and keep it as simple as possible and not just overcomplicate stuff. So, if you want to learn how to make it 5-10k per month trading and want to stay tuned, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights, and I'll continue to keep you updated. So, goodbye and enjoy.